So welcome back, Zona Bros, or welcome if this is your first time stopping by. Today's video is just going to be a quick one. We're going to see how the Viair 88P performs. I'm going to air down the Tacoma tires to 15 psi and then air it back up to 35 using the Viair and see how long it takes. So now that we have the Viair connected to a battery, make sure your car is running. And then check for this light, which shows that there's power going to the unit. And then just screw it in. So as you can see, we did go to 15 psi, and that's what the Viair is reading also. And just turn it on and wait for it to go up. So we were able to go from 15 psi to 32 psi in 2 minutes and 1 second, which is a lot faster than the plug-in compressor I used to use, the one that would plug into the 12-volt cigarette lighter outlet. So I think I'm pretty happy with the purchase. It was $65, and it makes airing up a lot faster. So I do recommend this product. But I haven't used it for very long, so I'll keep updating you guys if anything goes wrong. That's it for this video. If you found it useful, share it with someone. If you have any tips for us, comment down below. If you like the video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. I'll see you next time.